Situation. The guy cables, AB and AC, are attached to the top of the transmission tower. The tension in cable AB is 8 kilonewtons. The first question, determine the required tension in cable AC such that the net effect of the two cable tensions is downward force at A. Okay, so bali, una, given daw yung tension sa AB. So given to. This is 8. Ang tinatanong, ano daw yung dapat na maging tension sa AC? Tawagin ko na lang na TC. So tawagin kong TB. Para yung net effect daw nila downward. So ibig sabihin, ang ibig niya sabihin dito, ibig sabihin niya sa net effect, yan. Ibig niya sabihin dyan is yung resultant. Kailangan daw downward. So pag sinabi nating downward yung resultant, anong interpretation nun? So ang resultant kasi binubuo ng RY tsaka RX. So ang gusto niya downward lang. Ibig sabihin gusto niya wala kang direction kasi gusto niya ganito lang, ganito yung maging resultant, ganyan. So ibig sabihin kung ganyan ang resultant, wala kang RX. So ibig sabihin, we know that the value of Rx would be 0. So therefore yung RY mo is yung R na mismo. So ganyan yung ibig niya sabihin. And from that criteria, hanapin mo daw ang tension dito. Okay, so dalawa lang naman yan, ano? So, bago ang lahat, kunin muna natin yung slope. Okay, nung dalawang to para madali. Mamaya mag-component, no? So dito, ang slope natin. So we can utilize this triangle for the slope of AB. Ayan. So yan. So bali lumalabas, this can be 40 and then yung height na to, di ba yung height na to is 50? Okay, so ibig sabihin this is 50. And then para naman dito, we can utilize this triangle. Kailangan kasi right triangle. Ayan. Okay, so dito we can say that this is 50 tapos yung height mo 30. Okay, tapos kunin na lang natin yung hypotenuse. Square root ng, para dun sa una, 50 squared plus 40 squared. So, 10 square root of 41. Tapos dun sa isa, okay, 10 square root of 34. Ayan. Okay? So, dahil kailangan na ang resultant ay pababa, so we can now already use this to solve for TC. Kasi di ba ang criteria lang naman, Rx would be equal to summation of forces X. Di ba? Eh kaso, alam na natin or we already know that Rx must be 0. So 0 na to. Okay? So assume na lang natin to the right is positive. So yung tension sa B, 8. Ang X component nun ay 40 over 10 square root of 41. Tas to the left. Okay? And then, para sa TC, ang X component nun would be 50 over 10 square root of 34. Tapos to the right. Okay? And from here, yan lang naman yon, we can solve for TC. So that gives us 8 times 40 over 10 square root of 41. Tapos times 10 square root, cross multiply lang, 34 over 50. Okay, so that gives us 5.828. The units is in kilonewton. Ayan, so yan yung kailangan. Okay, so that's letter A. Next, determine the magnitude of this downward resultant. So ano naman daw yung magnitude nitong resultant na to? So ngayon, dahil 0 nga yung Rx, yung magiging magnitude nito is completely reliable sa Ry. So kunin natin yung Ry. So let's take summation. So let's solve for Ry. That is summation of forces along Y. This time, alam na natin yung required na tension. No? So we will have Ry is equal to, so yung 8 muna. So yung 8, baliktarin ko na lang guys. Gawin ko na lang tong downward positive. Kasi lahat lang naman dito downward. Downward positive. Okay? So, una yung 8. Downward yan. So, we have 50 over 10 square root of 41. Sunod yung TC. So, downward din yun. So, yung TC natin, ito ang value. So, we have 30 over 10 square root of 35. Simple as that, no? So, our RY would be okay, so that's 9.245 kilonewtons. Okay, and yan na rin mismo yung R natin. Kasi nga, wala namang Rx. Or zero lang naman yung Rx. Okay, so that is letter C. And lastly, if tension in cable AC is 4.5 kilonewton, calculate the moment at the base of the transmission tower. So, kunwari daw, given na rin yung tension sa AC. Ayan. This is for number 3. So, kunwari daw, the tension dito is still 8. Pero yung tension dito is 4.5. Okay, so pinapahanap, ano daw yung magiging moment dito? Sa base. Okay, so para ma-compute yun, una, we have to realize that kanina, sinolve natin si TC para siguradong downward yung resultant, di ba? So kapag ito yung naging value ng tension dito sa C, 5.828, definitely wala kang moment dito. Why? Kasi yung resultant nilang dalawa, pababa. So ibig sabihin nun, yung X component na to, tsaka yung X component na to, nag-cancel lang. Tapos yung downward nila na component is mag-intersect. So walang moment yun. So ang magpo-produce lang kasi ng moment dito is yung X component. Ito, ikot dyan. Ito naman, ikot dyan. No? Kaya nung sinolve natin si TC na 5.828, sigurado tayo na walang moment dito. Kasi downward lang yung resultant nitong dalawa. Okay? Pero ngayon, na ang sinet na value ng tension sa C ay 4.5, hindi 5.828. So dahil dyan, sigurado tayo ngayon na yung resultant nitong dalawang to, hindi pababa. It could be like this or it could be like this. And because of that, meron tayong ina-expect na value ng moment dito. Okay? So anyway, madali lang naman yan. So, lagay ko lang ulit yung slope. 40, 50, tsaka 10 square root of 41. Tapos yung slope dito ay 30, 50, tsaka 10 square root of 34. So, ganyan. So, now, taking moment about this point at the base. Okay, so let's take summation of moment at the base. Assume natin na counterclockwise is positive. So, yung moment na yan, inassume ko na clockwise o negative. Tapos, kunin natin yung x component nito, nitong 8. So that is 8. Ang x component niya ay 40 over 10 square root of 41. Okay, tapos ang moment arm niya, bali ito. Ito, which is, ito, 50. So yun yung moment arm niya. So times 50. Okay, tapos ang rotation na ipoproduce nito ay counterclockwise. So gawin natin plus. Next, we also have the x component here. Diba? So yung x component naman yan is 4.5. So, times 50 over 10 square root of 34. Ang moment arm niya, apparently, 50 rin. Diba? Okay, tapos ang rotation na ipoproduce niya ay clockwise. So, this is negative. Okay, and that is all equal to 0. And from here, we can solve for the moment. And that gives us 8 times 40 over 10 square root of 41 times 50. Okay, that's minus 4.5 times 50 over 10 square root of 34 times 50. Okay, so that gives us 56.94. Anong units ito? Kilonewton meter. Okay? So, nag-positive yung nakuha kong sagot, ibig sabihin tama yung assumption ko na pag ganito yung reaction, moment reaction. Okay? So, therefore, the answer here is letter E. And that's how we solve this problem.